So dito pala ako maliligo sa pangalawang swimming pool. Ito yung malaking swimming pool. Time check, 5:54 a.m. in the morning. Good morning, everyone! Kaubo. Kaubo ko dahil. Kaubo ka dahil. Ba't na nakagabo si Disney Princess? Anong tubig? Bukod ako. Grabe. Ayan, mga bulaklak dahil. Diba? Ang ganda ko tignan. Aray! Aray! Breakfast is served. Fried rice, and I think coffee and bread also. My vegetables and fruits dahil. And juice also. Ito yung kinuha. Juice.
Let me go search for my cereal. I like those toasties.
Yeah. Cheers.
See you now.
At nakita yung mga... Bon appetit! Mm. 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 Mm.
All the cereal.
Wow!
What?
Still of the time.
They want heavy meals.
You like cereals?
Hmm?
You like cereals?
Oh yes.
Every morning?
Got a routine every morning. Then I
Oh, wow!
wake up. I wake up.
Hi! Morning! Hmm. Day, pag 5:30 pa lang, narihin ako, Day.
Dito ka na?
Tapos naghintay na ako sa
Good
breakfast.
morning.
Eat na, breakfast na.
What's good, thanks.
Breakfast na. Go na.
You little people are late.
No, late for breakfast. 7.
Breakfast na.
Nag-swimming na ka?
Hagbay.
5:30? Pag 5:30 walang tao dito.
Wala. Tapos mainit ang tubig eh.
Oo.
Dito kayo, oh.
Taas naman.
Only, maano naman, oh.
Okay lang? Sige, go. Dito na lang tayo.
Ito lang, oh.
Dito ka, sister, dyan pa kayo.
8 mag-start, diba?
Oh, 8.
Danira ta? Whole day? Or daily?
Oh, dear.
Whole day? Whole day, right?
The whole day. Oo. Until evening. Yes. Tayo alis din eh. Until evening.
Okay lang kasi dito lang hindi mag-transfer.
Ha?
Okay lang.
Dito lang station natin. Mane, can I have my coat at the back?
You can. Today is the 12th.
Hmm.
Today is one of this one. Got it in time.
Sir Gemma, magtinapay ka? Anong tinapay? Dalawa. Dalawa din ako, please. Oh, please. Tapos lagyan mo lang ng pineapple ba yan? Pineapple. Coffee ka lang? Mag-coffee ka lang? Thank you, Sir Gemma. Love you.
Mag-coffee muna ako. First things first. Coffee.
Kung Disney Princess, way kaligo. Isa
Ligo
naman.
ko. May dryer man kami. Blow dryer.
I mean ba, swimming pool.
Sakit talagang ulo ko kahapon.
Kagabi, doon kami naligo sa taas, doon sa sobrang lamig doon. Sobrang sarap doon kasi ang init ba. Grabe. Tapos dito din, ang init.
Parang basa naman dito eh.
Okay, no. That doesn't say where it is, so used to, but yeah, it's so hot. I just want to be.
Thank
by
you
the
so
aircon.
much. Thank
Ganon kami mag-serve.
you.
This is how we serve in my...
Love you, Teacher Gemma.
Ay, napadami yata.
Let's eat toast bread.
Panong.
Corrected by Manny.
Nong panong.
Nong Panong. Hi, good morning.
It is very.
Morning.
Hindi na ako mag-rice. Grabe.
Ito na ko kaya maligo na ko. Hi everyone! Good morning! Mag-skin prep na tayo, tapos afternoon is mag-makeup tayo. Skin preparation. First, ang ginagamit ko is ang normal saline solution. Kasi, di ba kaka-laser ko lang sa mukha ko. So, kailangan ko ubusin to. Sabi ni Doc, ubusin ko na lang daw. Hindi nga, Next, ay gagamit tayo ng cleanser, Garnier. Garnier Cleansing Water Vitamin C. Next is itong triple vitamin C na toner from Dermaction. Next is itong triple vitamin C na serum from Dermaction. Next is itong CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. Next is itong L'Oreal Paris UV Defender SPF 50 plus sunscreen. Next is itong DD Cream Watermelon na sunscreen para sa leeg ko, para sa neck ko. Next is naglalagay ako ng Vaseline repairing jelly. Nilagay ko sa lips. Every night and every morning ko siya nilalagay. Next is itong Maybelline New York na liquid foundation. Ano siya? SPF 22 PA++ number 118. 16-hour oil control foundation, matte, poreless. Next is itong Esrichand or Serichand concealer. Importanteng may concealer tayo din. Pwede mo lang concealer kasi yung dark circles at eye bags natin ang itim na. So, yung itim na na. Para tayong panda dahil. Para tayong panda. Para mata ni panda. Parang itim. Next is itong Maybelline Control Powder. Next, ang ginagamit ko ay itong Any Lady Eyeshadow. Next is itong Maybelline New York na mascara, waterproof. Hyper Curl. Next is itong Savannah Colors blusher. Next is itong Jolly Sweet Sassy Lip Tint number 3, Cherry Red. Nakalimutan ko pala maglagay ng itong signature na Max Cover Face palette. And I'm done with my makeup. Yan siya, day. Yan lang ang ating makeup. Hindi ako masyadong marunong talaga mag-makeup. Kaya ganito lang. Simple lang. Importante may makeup. Importante may makeup, day. Ito lang susuotin ko na white tayo lahat ngayon. Magwa-white tayo lahat ngayon. Ganito ang outfit natin, day. Ganito ang outfit natin. White tayo ngayon. Best in white. Lady in white tayo. Tapos, ang shoes natin white. Medyas natin white. All white tayo ngayon. And this is my outfit today. Fuck. White na white tayo, day.
สมัยก่อนว่าคุณก็ไปเจอช้างแต่เขาก็ไม่รู้ว่ามันจะเป็นช้างหรือช้างที่ใหญ่กว่าเราวันหลังถ้าอยากจะเลือกช้างเลือกจากการเลือกองค์กรที่เป็นอะไรโรงเรียนนานาชาติ
Ang
ไม่ได้
ganda.
รู้ว่า
Pax Maria
ไม่
Bagtalo.
น่าจะทำนะแต่
Children.
จะคิดว่าจะ
Asa children?
เป็นโรงเรียน
Oh, tara day.
ระดับประดับ
Yun na lang tayo.
เพราะฉะนั้นนี้ก็เลยใช้หัวข้อว่า
Kasi wala akong ano.
การพัฒนาการศึกษาและเป้าหมายที่เป็นต้องดูนะครับก่อนที่เราจะดูว่าแผนระดับโรงเรียนเราควรจะทำเรื่องอะไรบ้างเราก็ควรดูว่าสิ่งที่เป็นกฎหมายข้อบังคับนะครับที่เกี่ยวข้องกับการทำแผนเนี่ยนะมันไม่ดีหรอกครับว่าอยากให้พวกเราได้รู้นะครับอยากให้มันที่ผมทำมาก็จะเอามาจากแผนบ้างเอามาจากนโยบายของส่วนเป็นตรงตามนี้อนาคตของงานมีลูกเราก็อยากให้เป็นที่เป็น SMTE หรือมันเกิดปัญหากันมันเป็นเช่นไรทั้งในระดับโรงเรียนเขตและประเทศอันนี้แปลในระดับภูมิภาคและรายวิชาในบ้านของเรารู้ไหมมีนะครับอัตราบางกลุ่มสาระเกิน
Bon appetit!
Muling yun yung masakpan yun niya yung Bakit taas kayo ang tinda, my God. Pausan na. Tignan ko ba natin? Bilis sa katuman. Sabi na ina. Saan ako sa una? Ang aso dahil
Bon appetit! Si Claire? Nag-wipe mo sa t-shirt, di po siya. Isa sa ito, Claire, katong shot. Init sa ang tubig sa swimming pool dira. Same sa init sa dito sa jacuzzi ba?
Ayaw mo mag-atong ko? Pinakabuti.
Hindi. Wala. Pakita nga. Hindi. Thank you.
Pag gusto kang...
Bon appetit! Cheers!
Hindi naman ako nagtutuwa. Ayoko uminom ng kape. Pag maligo ka, search ako.
So delicious.
Gusto mo maligo?
I love mako.
Swimming. Mga ilang ulam ano na to, ilang oras. Alas 8.
ขอบคุณครับกระชับได้ใจความดีไว้ก่อน
May ko charger. Ano, asan ako charger dyan kagabi?
Hindi, ito na yun. Ito yung gamit ko. Asa hanapan charger mo.
Samyang bulldog hot chicken flavor ramen.
Ate, kain tayo.
Bon appetit!
Halang mo yun siya eh.
Ang halong hindi. Day, mag-excuse sa day, ha?
Sige lang.
Ramdam ko ang hanghang.
May kayo mukha ako nakaghalang sis.
Basta ganahan ko sis.
Di ba di ka naghalang, Char?
Okay raman. Basta ganahan ko.
Gusto niyo ng knife? Knife na lang. Yun na lang. Okay lang sa'yo? Ano? May plastic. Ano? No, hindi ko na sila kaabot.
Peace. Ay, gunit. Ang gamot na to. Gunit. Ay, tala sa camera. Babay sa camera. Ay! Wala na.
Ikaw na lang dun sa ano. Sa may talaga. Ako na lang dun sa isa.
Kung anong salita yung giinom. Pagka na lang yun, miss. Miss, ka ba?
Biyata sa sulit.
Kada. Motos. Balik ka.
Pero sabi mo, kasi ako sulit.
Kasi nung ano siya yung parang may other additional task sila.
Sino ko pa parking?
Sabon ka siya.
Bata mo.
Ito, mura ka to siya. Apa na? Tumong. Ito, huwag na may ingay nga. Pero,
Ay ka.
Ha? Ano na? Chicken.
Aroy.
Singha. Singha. Yeah.
We have whiskey.
Really? We love whiskey.
Ha? Makabag kasi hindi, Jude. Na lang.
Kalang?
Hindi, akong gibutang kay Vlad.
ใจเย็นๆนะครับที่กำลังทำการสมัครถ้าเราต้องการมากกว่านี้ใช้ประมาณนี้นะ
Oh, mag-hi kayo. Ayaw.
go!
Kasha. Pagdugas. Unsa ba gama? Kawik lang. Bakit? Isa pa. One more. One more. Thank you. Mga walang lipstick. Tayo ramen tayo.
Wala naman sa pag...
Cheers!
Cheers, Billy!
Ate, Maria. Gusto mo vodka?
Cheers!
Tayo.
Wala nang ano, kanta. Kanita, maghingi ka.
Uy, imna dayon. Di nag-cheers lang ta.
Ay, God. Nag-cheers, nag-inom na ko. Kita, day.
Away pa sila.
Hindi mo nakita.
Ikaw may mga butang pag-awayan mag-save, di mo ito mag-ticket na rin. Sinabangan ko itong gamay na sinasaghapot. Huwag naman lang siya. Huwag naman lang.
Pag mag-wild niya, magrakista na doon niya. Katong mahubog na murag kiti-kiti. Nung last party natin, sino nga kumatay yung English? Teacher Joe, no?
Teacher Joe, oo.
Kanta siya English.
Hindi nga ako teacher ko eh. Naibog lang teacher Maria.
Ha? Ayan na yung parang kiti-kiti pag-break ang palo, ha? Nakalista pa nga ng ha? Ano po itang uso para na kalagdaran?
Tana? Okay naman? Ako na nakuhaan man. Na okay na?
Hindi ko okay lang confirm na tala.
Katuro man?
Anong sama, be? Inomay ka.
อยากจะใช้โอกาสนี้นะครับให้เพื่อนสมาชิกนะครับได้มีโอกาสทำความคุ้นเคยกันใครที่ไม่เคยเห็นคุณครูท่านนี้ร้องเพลงวันนี้ได้มีโอกาสเห็นใครที่อาจจะยัง
Ice down. Tagaan tag ice kay nasa daghang ice down. No, it's warm.
It's warm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not cold.
Lonit noy.
Ako man ako ning.
Gana.
Kini? Hello.
Video na ako nag-live.
Ay.
Cheers. Yeah. Cheers.
Kaya nga sinay ko ako. Ako na! Bakit mo matakot ako?
Ah.
Uy, abot yung ano, hila. Uy, over ang magkala. Over ang balyena. Uy, may balyena. Pwede na kayo magkaraoke kayo.
What?
Pwede na magkaraoke kayo.
Wala ko tayo ko. Cheers, everyone. First step is use this normal saline solution. Next is itong Garnier Cleanser. Next is itong Triple Vitamin C Toner. Next is itong Triple Vitamin C Serum. Next is itong CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. Next is itong Vaseline Jelly. And I'm done. Grabe namang yung eye bags natin at dark circles. Para namang kinanangginan siya sa buhay. Nagtagal kasi ako matulog ba? Tag 2 a.m. na, 3 a.m. Kasi minsan, nag-edit pa ako sa mga vlog. Tapos, after mag-edit sa vlog, manonood pa ng mga movies or Korean series or BL series, ganyan. Tingnan mo tuloy yung mata. Parang panda yung mata ba?